Hello, good morning. Meet me again with me, Zahra Zulmina, on this morning breaking news, which will present actual and phenomenal news. Let's get to the first information. Fire quickly engulfed 10 resident hosts in the city of Makassar, South Sulawesi on Wednesday, 18 October 2023. In the midst of panic, residents tried to extinguish the fire with the help of improvised torch, so that the fire did not spread to other settlements. And it is also reported that it is difficult for firefighters to enter the area because for the dense settlement. This time, the fire occurred on Jalan Pontikuan, Surangga Village, Talo District, Makassar City. The densely populated location meant that the fire spread quickly to other homes. A total of 10 semi-permanent homes burned down. Head of the Makassar Damkar Service Hasanuddin said he received information about the fire at 10 in the evening from residents. He said that his party deployed 11 fire trucks to extinguish the fire. This is because the location of the fire is a densely populated area. Information comes from our capital city. Flooding in DKI Jakarta is widespread. The DKI Jakarta Regional Disaster Management Agency (BPBD) reports that currently a total of 34 neighborhood units have been submerged in floods. Rain with moderate to heavy intensity that hit most of the DKI Jakarta area, and its surrounding result in the alert status of the Manggarai, Karet, and Angkehulu sluice gates being raised to alert 3 or alert. Noah said that flood occurred in the South Jakarta, East Jakarta, and West Jakarta area. The water level ranges from 10 to 110 centimeters. BPBD deploys personnel to monitor flood conditions in each area and coordinates elements of the Water Resource Service, Equar Service, and Gulkarman Service to section the floodless together with local village head and sub-district head. The inundation is targeted to recede quickly. BPBD DKI Jakarta appeals to the public to remain careful and alert to the potential for inundation. It doesn't feel like it's been long enough since I accompanied my viewers, asked the presenters to say goodbye.